Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinders trainings. And let's start with our power breaths. Let me just open the market. Great. The world market is down. Nasdaq is down 1.5%. Asian markets, main Nifty is down about 94 points roughly. So that's the market we are looking at. So get ready for 5 power breaths. From tomorrow, we will increase it to 10 power breaths. Now, everybody is used to 5, and we'll increase it to 10 power breaths now. And we will also change the ratio from tomorrow. So, get ready. Close your eyes, spine straight, and be with your breath. Take your awareness on your breath. Watch your breath going in and coming out. Just be with your breath for a minute. Get ready for the power breath. We are starting now. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Keep your eyes closed and be with your breath for a minute. On the count of 5, slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please open your eyes slowly. Great, guys. So, feeling refreshed? How many of you have started getting used to this power breathing now? कितने लोगों को इसकी आदत पड़नी शुरू हो गई? Because anything that we do regularly, becomes a habit. And the psychologist says if you do something 65 times, not 21, if you do something 65 times, it goes inside your system. It goes inside your system. Okay, so that's great. So, breathing is a good habit that we can develop. And I'll be teaching multiple kind of breathings, in the Success Club. But at least this one we will keep always here. ये हमारी सांस है. So let's look at the market. US came with very bad quarters, and looks like this party is about to be finished. And now Mr. Putin has said to Europe, if you want my gas, then you need to pay in rubles. You need to pay in rubles. So one very interesting thing I was checking up on this. We also keep an eye on the dollar now. Also keep an eye on the dollar here. So dollar might become a little weak. And today would be an interesting day how our market reacts. See, last 3 days FIIs have been net buyers. So they are buying India. If they're buying India, they are not seeing a lot of stability in their own countries. They're not seeing a lot of stability in their own countries. And the DIIs are also buying. We can see it's very rare that both of them, if FII is also bought, DII is also bought, तो फिर बेचा किसने कल? Yes, then who sold? Yeah, Nishit has given me a good link. I read this yesterday, but it's a good link, Nishit. I read it yesterday. It is the retail that has sold. So yesterday it was retail that got sold. This is a good article. I even saved it yesterday. Russian central bank announces ruble bound to gold, 5,000 rubles per gram. Let's read this article. It's a good article. And I had one more yesterday that I saw. I'll just check out on my Evernote. I save everything on Evernote. Just wait for it to sing. So that's an article. Now, Russia just wiped out about 30% of the value of the US dollar worldwide when it comes to gold bullion. Its ruble are bound to gold at 5,000 rubles. And there are 32 grams per troy an ounce, meaning 1 ounce of gold would cost 160,000 rubles. And converting that to US dollar means gold is 1,600 per ounce when using rubles. Russia just wiped out about 30% of the value of US dollar. This is, a surgical strike on the US that Russia has done. Worse, because Russia will only sell its oil and gas in rubles, and rubles are now fixed at 5,000 rubles per gram. Anyone wishing to buy oil or gas will need to pay in rubles or pay in gold, and they won't get the US dollar value for the gold they tender as payment. People around the world would be literally throwing their money at the ruble and dumping dollars and euros to it. What Russia just did is the financial equivalent of detonating a nuclear bomb. For your information, the last guy on this planet who tried to back a currency with gold was Gaddafi of Libya. NATO went into Libya, bombed the shit out of it until the people of Libya grabbed Gaddafi on the street, beat him bloody, and put a bullet in his head. As of this hour, I suspect bankers all over the world are on the phones with each other and with heads of state, instructing them that what Russia has done will totally smash both the US dollar and euro. And those banks will be telling the heads of state the World War III must commence immediately. So, if I look at this one here, then one currency that would be very nice would be USD CHF. That would be a currency worth looking into. Yes, I've just taken a trade on the aim is to become proficient. Don't try this, please. This is illegal in India. Forex trading in India is illegal. So please don't open any account with any broker. You can practice on the demo accounts. This is simulator. This is not a real trade. Real forex trading is illegal in India. यदि आप में से कोई कर रहे हैं तो please मुझे हाँ नहीं बोलना. I don't want to know. You can be thrown in jail for doing forex trading in India. The terms are very strict. At the most, you can do a simulator. That is the only thing. In India, only INRs are allowed. Okay, so let's see today. Two things happen. We are very close to a world war. We're very close to it. The way things are going on, and Putin has thought 1 year ahead before starting the war, so he already has a plan. So now on this, what we had was a bearish engulf, but not fully, partially. And here around this level is what we will be going for. Yesterday was a very nice expiry, gave me some profits, but eventually my here. This is another one. Russia, a three-step program put the ruble on gold. So keep an eye on the news. Normally we only look at this one. So this is another good article that I was checking out yesterday. Russia three-step program to put the ruble on a gold standard. Pradeep said to find bullish, bearish stock, topstockresearch.com. Yeah, that's a very old site, Pradeep, that we have been using for many, many years. Topstockresearch.com. But I mostly use Trade Tiger. It gives me the stuff there. Then you also have many others. It is Topstock Research, charting.com is there, iCharts.in is there. In fact, one site from which Trade Tiger took a lot of inspiration is called iCharts.in. So this was the site I was originally using, iCharts.in. And then in 2010-11, when I was giving a consultancy to Sher Khan, then I said their screener is very good. And then I went into it. Then there is another one called charting.com. Okay, so this is another site. Give me your stocks, guys. I'll see the market as it comes. Give me your stocks you want me to see for you. With the whole world market going towards a war, I think trades would be short today. We'll look for short trades. Nishid, oh, now Nishid has gone to Nostradamus. Nostradamus is, see, for everything there is a Nostradamus. There's also some other lady now who has become popular. Cummins. Asian Paint. Some Pharma. Axis Bank. Euromotor. Suari Agro. OpenGC. Pharma. So let's start with these. Cummins, if you see, Cummins had a big breakout. So there's a whole breakout that happened in Cummins. It has broken above this also now and coming in this congestion zone. So Cummings at this time is more or less in a overbought zone. So traded according to the trends. Asian Paints, Asian Paints is again showing weakness now. High, lower, high, lower, high, and with a big rise, a small correction is now due, especially with all the bad news coming from US, Europe. So don't be in a hurry for long. In fact, yesterday I trimmed down my portfolio a little, converted that into cash. Then Sun Pharma. Pharma companies are again, on a roll. Look at Sun Pharma; they're again on a roll, and China with a new notanki of closing down their city. That country is. I'm very very skeptic about China. That's the real danger. And they've closed down one city, and they're again promoting their virus. So at least one thing we have, all of us have understood, is that it's a good business that they are doing. Now, Axis Bank is strong. Axis Bank has also taken up the retail assets of Citibank now. So, becoming strong, Axis Bank. So, with the pressure on the upward side, it might push it to about 800 rupees. So, 40 more rupees of upside looks in Axis Bank. Very clear cut buying pressure yesterday, despite the market going down. Hiromoto is weak. I think Hiromoto might be my trade today for a short. Hiromoto, if you see, so Hiromoto, and with a target of about 1400. Look at Hiromoto, and it didn't go up much. There was selling pressure yesterday on Hiromoto. Yeah, Hiromoto we will keep as over short. Juari. So Juari Agro is in an upward channel. As long as it remains in this channel, it might look more sideways until unless it breaks this level down. Keep an eye on this level. Below this, it will just go back. How many of you have noted that when the market went up 1500 points, our portfolio values, your portfolio, they didn't really go up much? Have you noted that? How many of you have noted that? Exactly. So this artificial move. This is a typical artificial move, and a lot of people have got their exit now. A lot of people have got their exit. So make sure you're using strategies on this one here. SBI, if you're looking at SBI down, SBI is strong, forming a continuation pattern. For the moment, it still looks like a long trade SBI. Oro Pharma has started cracking now. 5 days it is going down now. Another one I would like to check is Escorts. Escorts, we had a good opportunity yesterday. In Escorts, if you see, there is a big mismatch between the value of the future and the value of the stock. I look at Escorts, the stock here is a 1690. Escorts, the future is at 1510. Look at the mismatch that is there. Almost 180 rupees mismatch is there on this. So this creates an arbitrage opportunity. This creates an arbitrage opportunity that I will discuss in my intraday club today. So this is where we have more or less. Any queries, any questions, you can ask me now, not stocks. Any questions you have, you can ask me. Last day of the week, war intensifying. Putin doing a lot of things. Putin does a Gaddafi, so it would be an interesting day today. Sumukh say what should be done for our investment portfolio? Nothing. We have a good portfolio. So if you have a good portfolio, you stick around with it. In any case, put very less money into the portfolio. That's my portfolio, guys. So I have a 7,59,000. So is equal to 7,59,000 divided by. So I just 3%, not even 8%. I have my 3% money is in my portfolio. Only 3% I have used. So I have a beer-proof portfolio, very defensive portfolio I have kept. In that also I booked a 28,000 rupees of profit, and I'm making continuous money from my strategy of protecting the portfolio. I've made 2,01,000 rupees from the portfolio, and my portfolio is performing 8.4% better than Nifty. So I would strongly recommend that you be part of the advanced options course so that you can understand these strategies. Great, guys. That's from my side today. Thank you very much. And make sure that you have. Thank you very much for a good response to the offer. A lot of you have taken the offer. Offer is finished now. There is no more offer on the intraday club. And now we have a success club that will be coming up. I'll be telling you about it. Thank you, everybody. Have a very, very good day. Any exit indicated investor club? No, nothing. Investor club is as it is. Fine, guys. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye-bye. Wishing all of you a very happy Gudi Padwa.